I have a request to you, all of you, not to Shreyama and Anshu Amma, but to others, that if you mute your voice but on your video, it will be easier for me to see the expression, whether you can understand or not. And when I am telling chant after me, whether you are chanting or not, it's a big deal. Then I may scold, no, you are not chanting properly. Please chant correctly. So please make your video on, but mute your sound. That will be better. Bimlamma, can you on your video? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. And Sangeeta Amma, yes, Book of Hymns, wonderful. And that mantra pushpam, have you collected? Or you are depending on us? We have to collect. Okay. We are trying. I am trying from my side. I have contacted with Ramakrishna Mission Authority as they can send. But you know, courier system is very poor nowadays. So it's difficult. जेटली जी, you please आपका वीडियो ऑन कीजिए. I want to see your expression while chanting. And Sangeeta Amma and Shraddha Sarda Amma. I think they have kept their mobile phone here. Yes, yes, yes. You could. Sangeeta Amma, you could. Try once again. Yes. Yes. Wonderful. Wonderful. Another Sangeeta Amma. You please try. Yes. Yes. So we will start now. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhetamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. So we will start. P. Sachdev ji and Sandhya ji, if you don't have any problem, please open your video. I want to see you people while chanting. It will be helpful for you and me too. Yes. So today we will learn Yaschandasa mrishabho vishwarupah chandobhyo dhramitat sambhabhuva samendra medhaya sprinat amritasya devadhana bhuyasham shariram me vichakshanam chihuva me madhumattama karanabhyam bhuri visruvam. So that very, very important and interesting mantra we will learn first, then Gita. Okay. So whenever you will hear this mantra first time, leave about that you are learning. Vedic chanting has a great power, you know. In many places, I have chanted this mantra. Even I went in such countries, the whole countries, the believer in different religious faith. I delivered lecture in some universities who complete universities, believer of different religious faith. And there I chanted Vedic mantra. And it was so nice, so beautiful the repercussion was. So first when you will listen, you forget that you are learning. First, try to enjoy the mantra. So then it will be better for you. First, enjoy yourself. Whenever we love anything else, we try to acquire it. This is the basic. So when you will love this mantra, you will try to acquire it. And your learning process will be easier. And you will try to listen to it more and more. Then only you will merge. Whatever we love, we become merged into it. Okay. So let's start. Om Yas Chandasa. Just chant after me. And all other Gita Amma, Akhila Amma, Pratima Amma, Rumela Amma, or Bhanumati Amma, please open your video. I just want to see. Nikita Amma, please open up your video. Then I can see the, yes. So we will chant together. Not together. First learn how to chant it. Then we will develop it. But please mute your mobile. Just video make on. Om Yaschandasa. Om Yaschandasa. First, I will chant the mantra. First, understand the vibration of this Veda mantra. Please mute your phone. Usha Amma, please mute your. Om Yaschandasamrisabho Vishwarupaha Chandobhyodramita sambhabhuva Samendro medhaya aspranoto Amritasya devadharano bhuyasam Shariram me vicharshanam Jihva me madhumattama Karana abhyam puri vishruvam Brahmana koshosi medhaya pihitah Srutam me gopaya. Again I'm chanting. Om Yaschandasamrishabho Vishwarupaha Chandobhyodhamitaat Sambhabhuva Samendro Medhaya Aspranotu Amritasya Devadharano Bhuyasham Sariram Me Vicharshanam Jhva Me Madhumattama Karana Bhuri Vishruvam Brahmana Koshosi Medhaya Pihitah Srutam Me Gopaya Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. So first, please try to learn the intonation. Om Yaschandasa. Please chant after me, muting your phone. Om Yaschandasa. Chandasa. Just give a stress. Okay. Om Yaschandasa. Mrishabho. Mrishabho. You have to pitch down your voice when you will pronounce shabha. Mrishabho. So together. Om Yaschandasa Mrishabho. Please everyone try to use this finger if it is possible for you. It will be wonderful. It's a science. Just try once. Om Yaschandasa Mrishabho Vishwarupaha Vishwarupaha Whenever you will pitch down your voice, just do Vishwarupaha. Just two things. This one, this one, this one, this one. Vishwarupaha. So together. Om Yaschandasa Mrishabho Vishwarupaha. Once again. Om Yaschandasa Mrishabho Vishwarupaha. Then Chandobhyo Chandobhya Chandobhya Dhyamitra Dhyamrita Dhyamritaat. था में एंड कीजिए तब सुविधा होगा. Dhyamritaat. Chandobhyo Dhyamritaat. Sambhabhuva Sambhabhuva. Samendro Samendro Samendro. Medhaya a Medhaya a Spranotu Spranotu. I hope you are all equipped with the chanting process of vowel. So I'm not getting into that. Why Spranotu? Why Chandasa Mrishabho? Why Vishwa Rupaha? Why Chandobhya? Because a, I, u, r, e, I, o, au. Those are the basic principles. Okay. You always remember it. That's a small thing you have to remember. So, once again, Om Yaschandasa Mrishabho Vishwarupaha. Chant. Yaschandasa Mrishabho Vishwarupaha. Once again. Yaschandasa Mrishabho Vishwarupaha. Chandobhyo Chandobhyo Dhyamritaat Dhyamritaat Samba Samba Bhuva Samba Bhuva. So together. Chandobhyo Dhyamritaat Sambabhuva. Chandobhyo Dhyamritaat Sambabhuva. Then Samendro Samendro Medhaya Aspronoto. Samendro Medhaya Aspronoto, because the two lines are there. Then Amritasya Devadharano Bhuyasam Amritasya Devadharano Bhuyasam. See, Bhuyasam, there is no line. Bhuyasam, it's in the one line. Amritasya Devadharano Bhuyasam. Shariram me clear? Shariram me vicharshanam. So Shariram me vicharshanam. Shariram me vicharshanam. Juhva me madhumattama. Juhva me madhumattama. Juhva me madhumattama. Karna abhyam Bhurivisruvam Karna abhyam Bhurivisruvam. Please chant after me. Please chant after me. Everyone, please. All ammas and all beloved devotees. And Pratima Amma read me, I don't know who is. Geeta Amma, Akhila Amma, Rita Amma, if you can please switch on your video, then I can see the lips, the mouth. Okay. Jihva me madhumattama. Jihva me madhumattama. Clear, wonderful. Pratima Amma, wonderful. जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविस्रुवम् कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविस्रुवम् ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि ब्रह्मणः. The sound is, this is after Visarga. If there is ka, the pronunciation of Visarga becomes not kha, it's it's like, this is called Jihva Mulya. In the Jihva Mula, the root of our tongue, it comes like that. Like after Visarga, if there is pa, we pronounce it as fa. Can you remember all? Now today we learn after Visarga, if there is ka, kavarga or kavarna, then the pronunciation of Visarga will be not ka. In the book it may be writing as ka because has no letters. So it will be Brahmanah, Brahmanah, Koshosi Medhaya. So Brahmanah, Koshosi. Please try with me. Brahmanah, Koshosi. Brahmanah, Koshosi. Brahmanah, Koshosi. Medhaya Pihitaha. Medhaya Pihitaha. Medhaya Pihitaha. Shrutam me gopaya. Shrutam me gopaya. Okay. So, and Shanti we will learn Om Shantish. Shantish. Shantihi. Om Shantish. Shantish. Shantihi. So we will chant together Yas Chandasa. Yas Chandasa Mrishabha. Let's chant together. Om Yas Chandasa Mrishabha. Om Yas Chandasa Mrishabho Vishwarupaha. Om Yas Chandasa Mrishabho Vishwarupaha. Chandobhyodhyamritaat sambhabhuva. Chandobhyodhyamritaat sambhabhuva. Samendro medhaya asprunatu. Samendro medhaya asprunatu. Amritasya devadharano bhuyasam. Amritasya devadharano bhuyasam. Shariram me vicharshanam. Shariram me vicharshanam. Jihva me madhumattama. Jihva me madhumattama. Karna abhyam bhuri visruvam. Karna abhyam bhuri visruvam. Brahmanah कोशोऽसि मेधया पिहितः ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधया पिहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय श्रुतं मे गोपाय. Let's chant together. Okay. Om Yaschandasamrishabho Vishwarupaha Chandobhyadramita Sambabhuva Samendro Medhaya Aspranotu Amritasya Devadharano Bhuyasam Shareram Me Vicharshanam Juhva Me Madhumattama Karana Abhyam Bhuri Vishruvam Brahmanah Koshosi Medhaya Pihitaha Shrutam Me Gopaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. I hope it is clear to you. That is why I repeated so many times. And I know you are 100% perfect while chanting with me. You have to have that same confidence, same performance when your Acharya will not be physically present with you. And it is possible only if you practice it again and again. And now YouTube is there. So in YouTube, you please log into Divakar Chaitanya and listen to it many times. Because of you, it has been created. Because when the lockdown will be over, Divakar Chaitanya YouTube नहीं रह सकता है. ये आप लोगों को फैसिलिटेट करने के लिए अभी तक किया है जो स्टूडेंट लोग इसको सुन सके, बारंबार खुद को डेवलप कर सके. एंड यू शुड डू दैट. Okay, we will now come to Bhagavad Gita. First chapter. Every day I think that I will start with Dhyana Mantra. Friday, please remind me, it's your responsibility, that we will start with Gita chanting first. Okay. Because Parthaya Pradibodhitam, otherwise it will be erased from our mind. And it is very, very important, you know. But today we will learn from sloka number 21. Am I right?
Sir, yes, Maharaji.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mahodaya.
Bhavatah nama kim? Bhavatyaha nama kim? Katham santi samyak asmi. I hope you are all learning, all enjoying spoken Sanskrit. It's wonderful. And next day we will start. We have planned slowly we will impeach grammar, Sanskrit grammar. So from verse number 21 of Bhagavad Gita we will start. Okay. ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः। संजय उवाच ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते इदमाह महीपते। संजय उवाच ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते। अर्जुन उवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत रथं स्थापयमेच्युत। You know, now at the time of Gita chanting, when any particular chandas will come, you can understand the density or the value of learning swara ucharan, the pronunciation of vowels. Why we learned I, u. Otherwise, you can't match, you can't chant even a single beat of Gita if you can't memorize that a. So, Arjuna uvacha सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत. Now verse 22. यावदेतान्निरीक्षेऽहम् यावदेतान्निरीक्षेऽहम् योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् यावदेतान्निरीक्षेऽहम् योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे. Together. यावदेतान्निरीक्षेऽहम् योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे. You please check it. That yodhyabhyam, make it vyam, halanta, and then write one o. Just make an arrow, upper arrow. Asmin rana samudyame. So, kairmaya sahayodhabhyam. Asmin rana samudyame. Sorry. Asmin rana samudyame. Together. यावदेतान्निरीक्षेऽहम् योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे. Verse 23. योत्स्यमानानवेक्षेऽहम् योत्स्यमानानवेक्षेऽहम्. That avagraha, you are finding one s. It means akara, aham. But whenever avagraha will be there will be no pronunciation of a. The pronunciation will be prolonged of previous vowel. That is why जो पहले वाला वो अवग्रह के पहले जो वावेल है ना वो लंबा होगा. I can't hear you. Shreya ji.
It will become Cheham.
Yes. Abakshe, not che.
She.
The tongue will be upper. Okay.
She.
Yes. Yotsyamana yotsyamananave aveksheham aveksheham yotsyamananaveksheham ya etetra samagataha ya etetra samagataha. Here also ete atra, but we are not telling atra. So then if I say atra, the chandas will be broken. So etetra samagata etetra samagata samagataha. Dhartarashtrasya durbuddhehe. There will be visharga. Please put visharga. Durbuddhehe. Yuddhe priyachikirshavaha. Yuddhe priyachikirshavaha. योत्स्यमानानवेक्षेऽहम् य एतेऽत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेः युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः. Together. योत्स्यमाननवेक्षेऽहम् य एतेऽत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेः युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः. संजय उवाच एवमुक्तो ऋषिकेशः. Please put visharga and erase sho. Kesho will be keshah. एवमुक्तो ऋषिकेशः गुडाकेशेन भारत गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम् स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्. Together. एवमुक्तो ऋषिकेशः गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये Then together is over. Eva mukto hrishikeshaha gudakeshena bharata senayorubhayor madhye स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्. Then 25. भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरूनिति समवेतान् कुरूनिति. Together. भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरूनिति समवेतान् कुरूनिति. Clear? So today is up to that. I hope you feel that you are getting benefited. You are enjoying the class. Every day you are learning some new things. I hope that. And please, who are very new in this chanting, please listen to that chanting as many times as you can in YouTube, and please join to our Vedanta, because all the things, Sanskrit chanting, Sanskrit grammar, spoken Sanskrit, whatever we are conducting for you, actually it is the preparation for you to come to Vedanta. So it's my request. The class is going on from 9 o'clock. It's the basics of Vedanta. Please come to the class, or if you have a lot of household work or any other work at 9 o'clock, please listen to it in the YouTube. You can purchase the book Tattva Bodha and you can study. Then bookseller would have been the big Vedanta. And not only this book, he is trying to create a base of Vedanta. So a lot, many more things, some definitions more, some nyaya, everything else is trying to incorporate in that class. Please listen to the Vedanta, because in this horrible situation, socio-economic condition is so horrible right now. Vedanta is the only solution, not the COVID vaccine. So please try to attend. Whoever else are the member of Chinmay Mission Kolkata, or where you get this link, from there you will get the same link of the class Monday to Friday. Hari Om Tat Sat. I will.
Sir, I have one question.
Who?
Sandhya.
Sandhya ji. Where is Sandhya? Okay. Yes.
Sir, in 22nd verse, you said dodhadu kama navasthitan.
Yadhu.
Yodhu kama navasthitan. So last में न में you don't sound that quarter a nana.
In 27th.
22nd. 22.
22nd. Yadhu kaman avasthitan.
अवस्थितान होगा कि तान अ होगा सर? आप बोले थे ना हलंत होगा तो.
Yes, yes. It's a style. Then whenever you will be matured enough, then you can understand that everyone has some style of chanting, you know?
हाँ.
I don't know. I am going to no, leave it. The thing is, Yadhukaman avasthitan. Actually, whenever na or ma, that nasal varna will come, that half a will not be there.
Okay.
Okay. So you have noticed where is ta and tha and da is there. We made it half.
Yeah.
But here avasthitan, kaman. So when, because these are the nasal, you know, ka kha ga gha wa, cha cha da da nya, ka kha da da ra. Can you remember your childhood? So there, are you getting me, Amma?
Yes.
Yes. So there, the nasal word, the last word is should not be like that.